Hello, I'm that Canadian guy. Soon my plans shall come to fruition, and I shall rule the world. Oh no, not you again. Folks, meet Dr. Myron Evelo, mad scientist, would-be world conqueror, and bloody nuisance. I told you before, it's pronounced Evelo, and this time my plan cannot fail. Oh really? Like your last plan? The army of evil attack hamsters? Silence, fool! How was I supposed to know there was a cat show in town? This time I cannot fail, for I have created a TV channel devoted entirely to evil. Once they see it, villains from all over the world shall flock to my cause. Lawyers, politicians, clergymen, and together we shall conquer the planet. That's ridiculous. Who would even sponsor a channel like that? Ha! I've already lined up 3 sponsors. Just watch these commercials. Are you a thug? Are you finding it hard to make ends meet, mugging people and stealing purses? Then consider these courses offered by the University of Evil. By taking these U of E courses, you can head for a future as a highly paid henchman. Can you wear hot leather in the desert sun? Can you go without bathing for weeks and survive on only coffee and beans? When you are shot, will you fly back dramatically through a window or tumble screaming off a saloon balcony? When ambushing a good guy, will you shoot at the rock he is hiding behind instead of at him? Then a life on the range is for you. Do you rob banks in broad daylight? Are you wanting to follow a boss who dresses in elaborate costumes and gives long dramatic rants? Are you spooked by grown men dressed as creatures of the night, or shoot point-blank at men in spandex suits and expect it to do any good? Then you're ready for the life of a supervillain thug. Are you liable to nod off when guarding a hero and allow him to steal your keys? Are you distracted by a thrown pebble? When you lead the prisoner to the death trap, will you forget to remove his watch? Are you incapable of noticing that you are standing over the trapdoor to the scorpion pit? Then consider the benefits of being an expendable minion of a mad despot. Do you enjoy wearing implausibly shiny outfits that cover your face and obscure your vision? Can you not shoot the broadside of a barn from the inside? Are you easily swayed by the mental powers of feeble old wise men? Then consider the life that awaits you in outer space. Call now. Operators are chained to their desks awaiting your call. And remember, the wages of sinner's death, but the hours aren't bad. Are your henchmen tired of scrubbing their death traps with cleansers that just won't cut it? Conventional cleaners can't get out those tough gore stains, and even worse, they smell of lemon and pine. Then you need new Guts Begone. Made from the souls of the damned, it cuts through stubborn blood and gut stains like a laser through a secret agent. And best of all, it stinks of musty basements, just like the one your dear old mom used to lock you in. New Guts Begone from Evil Co. Because evil is its own reward, but it's tough to clean up afterwards. What can you get away from it all? Sure, even the most dastardly villain needs a break now and then, but it's hard to find a good vacation spot. So many resorts offer pristine beaches, sunlight, and good times. Well, we are proud to announce the opening of our new Villains Only Resort. Set on a broken outcrop of volcanic rock, the island of Wanamekamula offers everything a bad guy needs to unwind. Our active volcano keeps the air full of healthy ash and smoke. Our cabins are outfitted with a full array of evil devices to help you feel at home, and lab equipment comes standard. There are plenty of lava tubes and floating mud pits for the kids to play in, and for couples, we offer a full range of whips, chains, and other toys for that special night. Best of all, our strict no-hero policy means you won't be bothered by those pesky do-gooders. As part of the entertainment, all heroes that try to come ashore are thrown into the volcano. After all, who wants to work on their vacation? The island of Wanamekamula, for all your evil vacation needs. With the government satellite I have hacked into, no one will be able to block Channel Evilo. Oh really? We'll see about that. Who could that be? Yes? Mr. Evilo, we're from the government. We'd like to have a word with you. Oh, bugger. No, not in the face! Ah! Don't touch that! That's my quantum destabilizer! You're gonna stick that where? Ah! Looking to get away from it all? Sure, even the most dastardly villain needs a break. But it's hard to find a good vacation spot. See, even cats love our island.